If your Samsung oven is taking forever to heat up, you probably have a bad igniter. There's a simple way to check this. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the racks that are in here. Just pull those straight out. Next, we need to remove the bottom pan in the oven, and to do that, there are 2 screws, Phillips head screws, in the far back. We're gonna remove those. Next, we're going to take out this pan as well. To get this pan out, there's a screw here and a screw there, and then it just slides right out. All right, now the pans have been taken out. The igniter is right here, and here's how you check to see if it's working. You're just going to go to your oven and hit bake, hit your start button, and that igniter should start turning orange. So the igniter's turning orange. Now we have to check to see if it's actually lighting the gas. So we're gonna close the door, just like that, and we're gonna wait 45 seconds. You will hear the flame light. You can kind of see it too. You'll hear the flame light. You wanna make sure it does this within 45 seconds. If it doesn't, your igniter's not working. I waited over 90 seconds for this, and the lighter never ignited the gas, and so it needs to be replaced. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.